Hello, what's up? Kamusta? Magandang buhay mga classmates! I'm your friend Peter Pan and welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video, I'm gonna teach you on how to multiply simple fractions and mixed numbers. Pero, sa moment na ito, gagamitin natin ang TagLish version o English-Tagalog version para mas higit nyo maintindihan ang lesson natin for today. Ang sa ganun, makuha mo ng tamang-tama at magets mo kaagad kung ano nga bang gusto ko ituro sa video na ito. Isa ka ba sa katulad ko dati na kapag nakita na ang fractions, hindi na alam ang gagawin o nahihirapan na agad? Huwag ka mag-alala, parang yung crush mo lang yan. Hindi mo makukuha kung hindi mo paghihirapan. Hindi mo mapapasagot kung hindi mo liligawan. Ang math, kailangan natin pagtuunan ng pansin at ng buong husay upang makuha ng tama. At syempre kung handa ka na, I want you to lend your ears, be attentive, and learn how to multiply simple fractions and mixed numbers. But we need first to identify the parts of a fraction, the difference between improper and proper fractions and the mixed numbers. Para nang sa ganon, hindi ka mahihirapan kung alin nga ba ang numerator at ang denominator. Let's start, identify the proper fraction. Sulat natin ang 3/5 o 3/5, where 3 is the numerator or the top number, and 5, the bottom number, is the denominator. Always remember that when the numerator is smaller than denominator, that is a proper fractions. Ibig sabihin, kapag mas mababa ang numerator natin kaysa sa denominator natin, yan ang proper fractions. Proper fraction, a fraction whose numerator is less than the denominator. Huwag maguguluhan. Kapag ang ating numerator ay mas mababa kaysa sa denominator o yung number sa ilalim, yan ang proper fractions. But when the top number or the numerator is bigger than the bottom number or the denominator, that is already an improper fraction. So ang ibig sabihin, ang improper fractions ay kapag mas mataas ang number ng numerator kumpara sa denominator o yung mga bottom numbers na nakikita natin sa ilalim ng numerators. Improper fraction, a fraction that has a larger number on the top than on the bottom. And that is the difference between improper and proper fractions. How about the mixed numbers? Let's identify first the parts of a mixed numbers. At kapag sinabi naman natin mixed numbers, ito yung may tatlong number. May isang number sa kaliwa, sa ibabaw at sa ilalim. Let's look at this number, 6 and 2/5. The number 6 here is the whole number. The number 2, or the top number, is the numerator. And number 5, the bottom number, is the denominator. Ngayong alam mo na ang difference ng proper at improper fractions at ang mixed numbers, mas mapapadali na ngayon ang multiplication ng simple fractions and mixed number. A mixed number is a number that consists of a whole number and a proper fraction. Oh yes! Before we continue our discussion on how we multiply simple fractions and mixed numbers, let's listen first to this song to add more ideas about what fraction is. So are you ready? Come on, let's dance!
fractions are having different denominator, it's called unlike fraction. Fractions having one in the numerator is called unit fraction. Numerator and denominator have no common factor except one. Numerator and denominator have no common factor except one. It's called simplest form of fraction. It's called simplest form of fraction. Fraction, fraction, fraction. A part of whole is fraction. Fraction, fraction, fraction. A part of whole is fraction.
So, this is now the multiplication of fractions and mixed numbers. So, madali lang ang topic natin. We have two ways to solve this. The long method and the short method. So, in long method, all you need to do is to multiply first the two numerators. So, si 3 multiplied by 2 equals 6 and get the product of the denominators. 9 times 3 is equal to 27. After nating nakuha ang sagot, ilo-lowest term natin siya by dividing it by the greatest common factor. So what is the greatest common factor ng 6 and 27? So 3 is the common greatest factor of the two numbers. So divide mo silang dalawa by 3. So 6 divided by 3 is 2, then 27 by 3 is 9. So 29 is the answer. Using the short method naman, let's see if mas madadalian kayo. So 3 over 9, multiply it by 2/3. Ang gagawin lang natin is i-divide natin yung 3 and 3. But others call this method as cancellation. Pero hindi siya actually cancellation method, kundi simplifying the fraction. Before we proceed sa multiplication through division, the truth is, we divided the numbers and hindi tayo nag-cancel. Let's multiply the numerators and the denominators. 1 times 2 is equal to 2. And 9 times 1 equals 9. 29 is the answer. So, for this example, we have a mixed number and a whole number. So, yung mixed number natin, kailangan mo natin siyang gawing improper fraction. That is easy. Just multiply the denominator and the whole number. 4 times 3 equals 12 plus 1 equals 13 over 4. Kinopya lang natin yung denominator na 4. Then, multiply the result by 8. Yung whole number natin, pwede mong gawing i-multiply muna si 13 kay 8, tsaka mo i-divide kay 4. Pero, mas mabilis ka kung nasundan mo ang pag-divide using the greatest common factors ng two numbers. Si 4 at si 8 ay parehas na divisible by 4. Kaya 13 times 2 equals 26. So, ayun na kaagad ang sagot. I hope nasusundan mo ha. For this third example, ganun pa din ang gagawin natin. Gagawin natin improper fractions ang mixed numbers. So we have 3 times 1 plus 2 equals 5. Then just copy the denominator, 3. Then 2 times 2 equals 4 plus 1 equals 5 over 2. Kung mapapansin natin yung fractions, wala na tayong madidivide dyan. Lahat sila nakasimplify na. So long method tayo. Now, let's multiply the numerators. 5 times 5 equals 25. Then the denominators, 3 times 2 equals 6. So 25 over 6. So dito naman, gagawin natin siyang mixed numbers. Yung numerators natin na 25, i-divide natin siya sa denominator nating 6. So 6 divided by 25, 4. So 4 times 6 equals 24. So meron pa tayong remainder na 1. Para maging mixed number ang ating sagot, meron akong ginawang formula. Ito yung ARD. Answer, remainder, and denominator. So our answer is 4, 1 over 6. So ganito mag-derive from improper fractions to mixed numbers. Answer, remainder, and denominator. Ayan, I hope marami kang natutunan at marami kang napulot sa pinag-aralan natin on how to multiply simple fractions and mixed numbers. And if you think marami kang natutunan sa ating lesson for today, I hope i-share mo naman ito sa mga other classmates natin. Dahil sa mga susunod na araw, magtuturo pa tayo ng mga ibang lessons na for sure magbe-benefit sa ating mga classmates. At sana marami akong naituro sa inyo at nagustuhan ninyo ang paraan na aking pagtuturo. Kung first time mo sa channel nito, just comment down below at kung may gusto ka pang lesson na matutunan, kaya nating pagtulong-tulungan. And subscribe mo na din and don't forget to hit the notification bell para updated ka sa mga bagong uploaded videos. So, thank you so much. I'm your friend Pitripan. God bless and mabuhay!